In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a wamp server on your system. Basically, the main reason why we need to have a wamp server on our system is to run server-side application. A good example of server-side application is PHP. That means to have PHP run on your system, you need to have a server. So one of the servers that are available to be installed on our system is wamp. I have purposely chosen wamp server because it is easy to install and easy to run. Now to get started, all we need to do is download wamp server from the internet. You can click wamp server and you can type in wamp server to the Google search engine, and then that will look for wamp server website, and you can go there to download wamp server. However, for my own use case, I've already downloaded the wamp server to my system, and this is wamp server on my system. And but first and foremost, you need to know the type of system you are running. There are basically two types of system. We have the 64-bit and the 32-bit. To know which version you are running, all you need to do is go to computer, and somewhere around here you can right click and right click on properties, and from there you can look for system type, which is this, and my system is running a 64-bit operating system. Now that's good. Now that we already know that my system is running a 64-bit system, then all I need to do is go back to the wamp website and then look for a 64-bit wamp server. But if your system is different from mine, that is, if you are using something like a 32-bit operating system, then all you need to do is install a wamp server for that specific device of yours. Now, after you have downloaded the wamp server to the system, the next thing is for us to install it as usual. Now, how do we install wamp server? Here is it. I have downloaded it on my desktop. Then all I need to do is right click on the wamp server and click on open. So by clicking on open, this should open the wamp server and start launching the application. Now it's asking if it should access it. Yes, I wanted to access the wamp server on my system, and then we want to install wamp server in English language. You can also install it in French if you understand French language. Then you are required to read through this license agreement. If you are okay with it, you can continue. If not, you can cancel. Then you just click on next as the normal way of installing a software. So while we wait for this to install, please join me in my movie anyways. Wamp server is still installing. Okay, so in this case, all you need to do is do you want to choose another browser that is installed on the system? No, we are okay with it. Do you want to choose another text editor installed on the system? No, we are okay with this. So that is why we need to click no. By default, everything should work fine. Let's get back to business and stop watching movie. Okay, while this is still installing. Okay, so a few seconds, this should complete installation. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Okay, let's finish up. Good. We've completed the installation of WAMP server. So how do we know? Let's run it. I think here is the shortcut of the installed version of the WAMP server. So if I double click on this, this should ask if we really want to run it. And then now we have a red icon here. So we have to wait a bit to for this to turn to another color, basically green. So if it turns to green in few seconds, good, that means our WAMP server is successfully installed. And from here onward, we can install Drupal or any PHP based application that needs a server, and that application is going to run as a normal website, so you don't have any problem. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to install Drupal within this one server and start building our websites.